And this is my accidental hibiscus soap. I just had left some hibiscus tea from my making of the hibiscus body yogurt, and I decided to use it for the soap. And since the beautiful hibiscus color doesn't stay in a soap, it turns beige, I took the little bit of leftovers of rhubarb root infusion with oil and madder root infusion and indigo root infusion, which made this reddish pinkish color for the soap, which matches the hibiscus flower. It's not as deep, but it's still beautiful. And here you see my hard oils. I'm mixing them with my lye water and as a heat transfer method to melt my hard oils. And in my liquid oils I have this all the oil infusions, olive oil infusions. This is actually my usual soap recipe, nothing special. And in the liquid oils I also have a coconut milk, and I also have the kaolin clay there, so you see that it will lighten up with a little blending. It's nice to blend these additions in, so they wouldn't be in clumps in the soap, and the soap wouldn't need so much blending afterwards. And that's what will color my soap. And a little bit of activated charcoal you can see there too. That is also coloring my soap. I will make kind of an ombre. And you did see me pouring my essential oils. Those are from Mystic Moment. I have one blend and then adding one more oil. And now you can see that especially rhubarb root is changing the color and coloring the soap. Right now it looks kind of strange color, but since the batter itself will lighten up, then it will become pinkish reddish color later. And now for pouring my soap, I make a little bit of the black with the activated charcoal. I thought at one point that it will be too dark, that I made too much of activated charcoal, but it turned out very well. You will see at the end. And the activated charcoal also needs a little blending with the stick blender, otherwise it will be uneven. But I have to do it very carefully because I mix my activated charcoal with the water, and it tends to accelerate the batter a little bit. So I have to be careful not to overblend it. You can see it's already turning quite thick, definitely thicker than the other batter. But it's always fun to pour the soap, and always try to hope for the best, because sometimes soap has its own mind on what it wants to do. And in the between there you saw my gold, that is cake, not cake sprayed, but cake gold, which you use for the cakes. I rather use the edible thing than the micas. And this is my favorite top design with my trusty spoon. Elegant waves of the topping. and decided to put the hibiscus flowers on the top as a little red accent. It's quite dark, it's darker than the soap, and it will make a beautiful accent on it. Especially since the soap batter will lighten up. And again the sprinkle of my cake gold. Usually I spray with the cake spray, but this time I wanted this more heavy, more darker. And then the next day, unmolding and cutting. It's always the satisfying part. Sometimes it's it's always surprising how the soap will turn out. You never know. It's always surprising, especially that this time it was surprise because I used kind of unexpected things for the soap. I didn't know how the color will turn out and how design will turn out, but I'm very happy how it does. I put the soap on the side so that hibiscus flowers wouldn't drag through the soap and wouldn't leave the drag marks. And here it is. You can see a little bit of darker middle, but it will go away. It will even out the color. It's just for a moment. After a cure, it will not be visible. I really like how the ombre turned out. I was afraid that it will be too dark, but it's fine. It's nice. It's not very gradient. It's kind of little bit chunky, but that's how I meant it to be. I like it like that, in this case at least. And then I will further I will add the stamps on the soap, which will help to decorate soaps more and work as an accent on the soap to play the colors more out. So there come the stamps, and if you all have watched so far, probably you liked the video, so leave me thumbs up. It's very helpful. I am very grateful to everybody who leaves me thumbs up, and especially to those who subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Ciao, see you next time.